Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. Today we're gonna make a purge command for our Discord bot. Click on start.bat file. Slappy generate command purge. Category of moderation. Next up we're gonna type in code dot source. So now we're gonna const discord .gs make async. Then we gonna make if message dot member dot has permission manage messages return message dot channel dot send. You cannot use this command if message.curl.me.has permission manage messages return message channel send. I cannot purge that message purge any messages because I don't have the manage messages permission. Then we're gonna do if args is 0 return message channel send. You must state number of messages to purge number then we gonna const an amount to delete, that is number args 0, 10 if number dot is integer amount to delete return message channel send. Number stated is not valid number, not a valid number. And we're gonna do an if statement again. Amount to delete amount to delete 2 amount to delete is bigger than 100 return message the channel send. This means if the amount is less than 2 or bigger than 100, then it's going to send the message The number stated must be between 2 and 100. Next off, we gonna const fetched is equal to await message dot channel dot messages dot fetch limit amount to delete. Then we're gonna try to await message dot channel dot bulk delete the fetched, then messages message the channel send deleted amount no messages dot size. This will try to delete all the messages, and then it's going to say deleted, and then how many messages is it deleted. Of course, we're gonna catch the error. Console.log error message channel sent. I was unable to delete the amount stated. Make sure they are within 14 days old. So it's this it was the command. Now we go to the I don't know how this thing is called, but it's Control Shift and that thing, or you can do this and it's going to say it over here what you have to do. npm run dev. It's going to start our bot. I'm going to open discord.com/app. If you see, our bot is logged in. Now I'm going to our beautiful test server and purge 100 of these messages. You see, it's deleted the messages without any problem. And if you want a secondary command, you can always do this. I want clear. If I'm going to spam here, clear 100. And it cleared it. If you want more, you can always do this. Like blah blah blah. Spam a little. And it's like 9, and it's deleted that too. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I'm going to catch you in the next video, hopefully. Bye. Later.